Okay, children, now we are going to see about the 5th standard English. We have already finished one lesson. That is the sports, the strength in his weakness. And the poem, the swimmer also we have finished. Now we are going to see the exercises, page number 106. Page number 106. Unit 2. The swimmer. So this is in this poem and the question answer and exercises we have already finished. Now we are going to see the exercises. Just in this grammar we are going to see about the conjunction. What do you mean by the conjunction? A conjunction is a word. Conjunction is a word that joins two words or sentences. That joins is a word that joins. So, rendu words or sentences join பண்றது conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins two words. ரெண்டு words இல்லைன்னா ரெண்டு sentences. Two words or sentences. Okay, so this is a conjunction. So, for example, he has a pencil. Okay, pencil இருக்கு. Dash ya paper. They are given the example like this. So in the bracket they are given and, or, and but. So in the three words they use panni, we have to join the sentences. He has a pencil, dash a paper. So pencil o irukku, paper o irukku. So he has a pencil and. So you can write A and D and. Pencil and paper. ரெண்டு பொருள் பற்றி சொல்லும்போது and தான் எழுதணும். பென்சிலும் இருக்குது பேப்பரும் இருக்குது and pencil and paper. He has a ball. Dash not a bat. So ball இருக்குது bat இல்லை. Bracketல and or but. Okay, he has a ball, dash, not a bat. So, ball irukku, bat irukku. Appo he has a ball, but aanal bat illai. So, okay, rendu things da. Ball and the thing da, bat and things da. But see the sentences. He has a ball. He is having a ball, not a bat. Bat illai, but aanal bat illai. So, like this. Do you want? Next one is, do you want? Dash, sorry, do you want apple? Dash, pear. So answer is and, or, and but. So do you want apple or pear? Apple or apple venuma, pear venuma. Pen and pencil has and as and pencil and paper. He has a ball but not a bat. Do you want apple or pear? Apple venuma, pear venuma nu varumbodhu unakku idu venuma adu venuma nu kekkumbodhu or you have to write. Okay, so some more connecting words are there. What are the some more connection? I cannot go out because it is raining. So adhe mari some more connecting words is also there. Because vechi varum. So everything is in your book only, children. So go through this. I cannot go out. I cannot go out because it is raining. Because it is raining. Okay, I cannot go out because it is raining. Now veliye po mudiyadhu. Because adanal it is raining. Edhanal rain irukradala it's raining. Mazhai peigirathu. He missed the bus. அவன் வந்து பஸ்ஸை மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டான். He missed the bus. Why he missed the bus? Because he came late. அவன் லேட்டாக வந்தான். He came late. Okay, yeah? So these are all the joining words. She did not buy the books. She did not buy the books. அவங்க வந்து புக்கு வாங்கலை. Buy the book. Because ஏன் வாங்கல? Because she had no money. So some of the words also can join the sentences and or but மட்டும் இல்லாம we can use the because also. So in the above sentences the word because is used to explain the reason for the first statement. First event explain கொடுக்கிறது தான் in between the sentences. I cannot go out because it is raining. He missed the bus because he came late. She did not buy the book because she had no money. Okay, then Priya was sick. So she consulted a doctor. இதில் வந்து ரீசன் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க. Explain the because is used to explain the this is reason for the first event. இது ஏன் நடக்கலன்றதுக்கு ரீசன் அது. ஓகேயா, இங்கே வந்து Priya was so sick. Priya was so Priya was sick. So she consulted a doctor. So underline one. So she consulted a doctor. Because on the first ஏன் நடக்கலன்றதுக்கு ரீசன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து Priya was sick, so she consulted a doctor. So is used to explain the result of the first event. ஏன் அவள் டாக்டர் கிட்ட போனா? Priya was sick, அதனால் she go to the doctor. Okay, so used to explain the result of the first event. Priya was sick, so அதனால டாக்டர் கிட்ட போனான். He came late. He came late. He came late. அவன் லேட்டாக வந்ததால் so he missed the bus. So he missed the bus. அவன் லேட்டாக வந்ததால் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டான். She had no money. She had no money. அவகிட்ட மணி இல்லாததால் so she cannot buy the books. So அதனால் so she cannot buy the books. So these are the joining words, some of the joining words, that is known as the conjunction. Okay, now the next one is match the following they are given. Okay, match the following. In this match the following we have to match the words. Page number 107. Match the following. So take out your book, page number 107. Buy the books, children, always. The cat was hungry. The cat was hungry. Why the cat was hungry? Because they are given the options. Because I had a headache. I had a headache. I was on leave. This is the first one, and second one is I was on leave. So it ate a fish. Then he was afraid of the dog. He was afraid of the dog because she had to attend the function. To attend the function. She went home early. She went home early. So சீக்கிரமாக வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டாங்க சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா. So he ran away. So here they are given the sentences. Shall we put the number then? The cat was hungry. So பசியில் இருக்கு. So it ate a fish. This is the first one. And second one, I was on leave. Why you was on leave? Because I had a headache. எனக்கு தலைவலி, அதனால் I got leave. He was afraid of the dog because she ran away. அவள் ஓடினதால் so she ran away. அதனால் she was afraid of the dog, so she ran away. She went home early because she had to attend the function. Did you put the numbers, children? Now next one is fill in the blanks with the correct connecting words. Same page. Fill in the blanks with the correct connecting words. Correct words you have to connect it. Fill in the blanks. This one is B. With correct connecting words. So in this, we are given because and so. So two words they are given. So you have to use these words because and so. Here, he ate 2 chocolates. He ate 2 chocolates. So first we'll write the dash he get cough. He got cough. Then second one, the rat ran fast. Dash a cat was chasing it. Okay, then he missed his bus. Dash he was sad. He missed. So you have to use because illa sova. You have to use. He missed his bus. Dash he was sad. Okay. Then fourth, Tom left the class. Tom left the class. Dash he was sick. Fifth one, he lost the key. He lost the key. Dash he couldn't open his door. Open his room. Okay, so he ate 2 chocolates. Dash he got cough. So he got cough. Okay. Then the rat ran fast. Dash a cat was chasing it. The rat ran first because because a cat was chasing it. Next, he missed his purse. So he was sad because so he was sad. Tom left the class because he was sick. Because he was sick. He lost the key, so he couldn't open his room. So you have to use because or so. Next one in this, you have to listen to this audio and answer this question. What does the red signal mean? Red signal means to stop. What does the green signal means? To go. When do we cross the zebra crossing? When vehicles are stopped, we have to cross the zebra crossing. Why do we wear helmet? To avoid head injury. You have to scan this code and then listen this audio and then answer the question, but I'll say the answer. Can we use cell phone while driving? No. So what does the red signal means? So in this one, choose the correct answer. What does the red signal means? Red signal means to stop. Then let us listen in Gerkalia, that one. So you have to listen and write the answer. To stop. And second one is, what does the green signal means? To go. Then third one, when do we cross the zebra crossing? When vehicles are stopped. So vehicles stop agumboduna, we have to cross the zebra crossing when vehicles are stopped. Then fourth one, why do we wear a helmet? To avoid head injury. So they are given the options. So you can tick the answer for this. To avoid head injury. Then fifth one, can we use cell phone while driving? No. Okay. So mark this in your book. And now the next page, you take page number 108 at the conversation. One person and girl is here. So he is asking, who are you, ma? Why are you standing alone? My name is, that girl is telling, my name is Rosie. I am lost. That man is asking, why did you come here? I came with my parents for the car festival. அப்படின்னு சொன்னதும் நான் ஒரு ஃபெஸ்டிவலுக்கு வந்து ஐ கேம் வித் மை பேரண்ட்ஸ். ஓ கம், ஐ கேன் ஹெல்ப் யூ டு ஃபைண்ட் யுவர் பேரண்ட்ஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ வில் பை யூ சம்திங் டு ஈட். அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்க, சரி ஐ வில் ஹெல்ப் யூ, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ வில் பை சம்திங் டு ஈட். பட் நீங்கள் என்ன சொல்லணும், சப்போஸ் இஃப் யூ ஆர் மிஸ்ஸிங் லைக் திஸ் ஆர் திஸ் கேர்ள் இஸ் ஆன்சரிங் யூ, சே சில்ட்ரன், thank you, but my parents and teachers advise me not to go with any strangers. So parents and teachers நாங்கள் என்ன சொல்லணும், எந்த நியூ பர்சன், உங்களுக்கு தெரியாத பர்சனை கூப்பிட்டா கூட நீங்கள் you should not go with the stranger. So this girl is telling parents and teachers advise not to go with any strangers. That's good, but I will not harm you. So the person என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, நல்ல இதுதான், that's good habit, but I will not now harm you. நான் ஒன்று எந்த இதுவும் பண்ண மாட்டேன். சாரி, அந்த கேர்ள் என்ன சொல்ல பாருங்க இமீடியட்டாக, சாரி ஐ ஆம் லுக்கிங் ஃபார் எ போலீஸ்மேன் ஆர் டிராஃபிக் போலீஸ் ஃபார் மை கைடன்ஸ். ஸோ அந்த கேர்ள் உடனே போகாமல் ஐ ஆம் லுக்கிங் ஃபார் த போலீஸ்மேன் ஆர் த டிராஃபிக் போலீஸ் ஃபார் த கைடன்ஸ். ஃபைன், டோன்ட் வரி, ஐ எம் ஆல்சோ ஏ போலீஸ்மேன். ஸோ அவங்க என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, நானும் ஒரு போலீஸ்மேன் தான் அப்படின்னு சொன்னதும், இஃப் ஸோ, அப்போ நீங்கள் போலீஸ்காரங்கன்னு சொன்னால் கூட நம்பணும் இல்லையா. தட் கேர்ள் என்ன சொல்கிற பாருங்களேன், இஃப் ஸோ ஐ வில் கிவ் மை ஃபாதர்ஸ் ஃபோன் நம்பர், ப்ளீஸ் கால் ஹிம், ஐ வில் நாட் கம் வித் யூ. நான் எங்கள் அப்பாவோட ஃபோன் நம்பர் தரேன், ஸோ கால் பண்ணுங்கள், பட் நான் உங்கள் கூட வரமாட்டேன். ஸோ வி ஹேவ் டு ஆன்சர் லைக் திஸ். இஃப் எனி ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சர்ஸ் கம் அண்ட் கால் யூ சில்ட்ரன், யூ ஷுட் நாட் கோ. ஓகே, ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு லுக் ஃபார் த போலீஸ்மேன் ஆர் த டிராஃபிக் போலீஸ் ஃபார் த கைடன்ஸ், எப்படி போகணும் என்னன்றதுக்கு. ஓகேயா. So what he is telling, that's good, I will call your father. So like this you have to say, talk like this only. You should not go to the any person who is a stranger to you. So this is the just a conversation when it comes. So take this as an advice and practice like this, children. If anybody comes and calls you, don't go with them. So you get help from any policeman or any traffic police for your guidance. And you will tell him to give your father's phone number and ask him to come and take you. Okay, so that you should not go with the strangers. So this is a good lesson, and we have finished the exercises, everything. And now what all we have taught in this poem exercise only this is. So learn the poem also, the swimmer. Okay, so the poem is about the, already we have learned. So once again I'll say the poem. She stands still and tall. She seems greater than all. She dives like the fish. To be like her one can only wish. She swims with perfect flight, her strokes like dancing light. She breathes her and rips across the water with flair. Up ahead the audience cheer. She knows that a finishing line is clear. Near, she picks up her pace as she wants to win the race. Straining with all her might, she never gives up the fight. As she reaches the wall, her name as winner they call. Already I wrote this poem on the board. So once again I'll say this. Listen this poem and say it properly. She stands still and tall. She seems greater than all. She dives like the fish. To be like her, one can only wish. She swims with a perfect flight. Her strokes like dancing light. She breathes air and rips across the water with flair. Up ahead the audience cheer. She knows that the finishing line is near. She picks up her pace as she wants to win the race. Straining with all her might, she never gives up the fight. As she reaches the wall, her name as winner they call. Okay. So memorize this poem also, and the rhyming words here, meaning and question answers, everything you have to learn. Meaning is strokes, a particular style of moving the arms and legs in swimming. Rips, pull quickly or forcibly. Cheer, expressing good wishes. Flair, ability or talent you can write. Strain, force. Thank you.